Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Bitcoin, daily chart on Bitcoin, and as I warned in my yesterday's video, even though the chart was telling me that we are bearish and I have a price target way down below because of a head and shoulder pattern, I also said that yeah, we were in an oversold area. We had a big fall since then, and we could expect pullback anytime soon. Why did we had this pullback to the upside? Now let me show it to you why that happened, at least technically speaking, by looking at the chart. Now besides this, let me just make it nicer. Oops, like this, something like this. Okay, besides this head and shoulder pattern that we have here, we have, one might say that we have another pattern, a little bit conflicting pattern, and that's a big pattern as well. And let me try to draw it. Let's connect the ends of lower ends of the candles, yeah, like that. Yeah, I want to make it nice. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and then also the upper part. Yeah, this way maybe we have more, but anyhow, yeah, this way we only have a few touch points. But let me see. Of course, one might decide to just connect the bodies of the candles here. But anyhow, this seems to be a wedge, a bullish formation, and we came to touch the lower part of this wedge, of this trend line. So no surprise that we had a pullback. In fact, because I connected the wicks, this is probably, we could even go back to first to 39,760 and then even to 42,000 levels. So we have room here to play, go ups and downs until we break out. By looking at this long term head and shoulder pattern, it's still dangerous. So Bitcoin could move to the downside anytime, and we could have big pullbacks to the downside, but also we could go upside in this wedge area. So that's about Bitcoin. Let's go over to Ethereum, and this is the weekly chart on Ethereum. Ethereum is trying to decide where to go. We are trying to stay around this support line, and of course this is the weekly chart. And let me go over to the daily. Let's have a look at the daily chart on Ethereum. And as Bitcoin is not willing to fall further down, or at least not the way most people expect, Ethereum is not willing either. So we are trying to spend time here around this area, the lower part of the Bollinger Band. Ethereum is also not willing to fall, to have a big pullback to the downside. So I think we will spend time here, and if Bitcoin starts to move upwards in that channel, or in that wedge, then probably Ethereum will follow. And of course, I could draw my lines of resistance here. This is certainly could be a resistance 2930, but let's have a look here. Let's have a quick look at this here. 2650. $2,450, 444, something like that. And yeah, so I'm watching Ethereum, how Ethereum behaves between these areas. Shall we get back above 2460? Then 2650-ish level is going to be my price target. Now let's go over to Cardano, and this is Cardano, daily chart on Cardano. On Cardano, I drew a wedge here as well, so we are in a wedge right now. And today Cardano tried to break down below this area. This is dangerous because we could go to 0.93. Shall we get back above there? Then 1.188685 could be my next price target. Let's have a quick look at the 4-hour chart on Cardano and see if we can determine anything here. Yeah, this could have become a W pattern here. We have a low, a higher low, but now this might also become a W pattern. We have a higher low and maybe another higher low. We will see how this plays out. Let's go and have a quick look at Litecoin. Litecoin is here. There's the 4-hour chart on Litecoin. We could also have a W pattern here, a low, a higher low, and probably another higher low is developing here before we are going up. 20-day EMA is proving to be resistance for Litecoin 110. Once we break above 110, then 50 EMA could be a target, which is at around 119.7 or 8. Alright, that's all for now. See you next time.